Hare Krishna, dear Roshni.
Hare
You
Krishna
can-
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Molly.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
How are you doing?
I'm good, Mataji. How are you?
I'm doing good too. Hare Krishna, Pratyush. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Vrinda Rani. Hare Krishna, Malu. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Pavika.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay. Okay. Can you quickly tell me on chat how you all are doing? Maybe through emojis, you can tell me how you all are feeling, how excited you all are for today's session. I hope you all can chat. Okay. I'm so happy to see your lovely faces. Okay, we will start now. Can you all see my screen? Give me thumbs up if you can. Is it visible? Okay. I hope it's visible now. So today we are going to discuss about Pani Hati Chira Dahi Mahotsav. It is very interesting pastime of Lord Nityananda and Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. So let's see. Let's begin. So this is our schedule for today. We will first do some chanting, some japa. Then we will recite a shloka. Then we will discuss a story. Then, meanwhile, we will also play some games. I hope you all have notebook ready with all of you, right? Whatever we will be discussing today, please try to note it down because we're gonna play lots of games in mid of our discussion. And then in last, we have our craft. Okay. So now, can I have some beautiful, sweet volunteers who may help me to recite the Srila Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Pranam Mantra? Molly, would you like to recite? Okay, Rianshi. Please go ahead.
Mataji, Mataji, I cannot see your screen. Yes.
You cannot see my screen.
Your screen is visible, Danu. Yeah, it's visible. Maybe Rianshi something is.
No, now she can see.
Yeah, okay.
Prabhupada Pranam.
नमः विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नामिने
Namaste.
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशकारिणे.
All right. So I want each and everyone, one volunteer will recite the mantra, then we will be reciting with them. Okay? I will see everyone's lips moving. No one will sit quiet. I'm watching everyone. Okay. Panch Tattva Mahamantra. Anushka, please go ahead.
Danu, so we
Yes.
can't see, I mean, we can see your screen, but we can't see like the
Hare Krishna,
slide
Mataji.
moving.
Mataji, I can't see the screen.
You can't see the screen.
Like you have to put it in the slideshow. Like the slide cannot be seen, but your screen can be seen.
I have, Mataji, I'm showing it in slideshow only.
Mataji, sorry, Mataji, I can't see the screen.
Yeah, like we're still on the first slide, like the Panihati Chidadahi Mahotsav slide. Oh yeah, now we can see Panchatattva mantra.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, please recite.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Govinda. Offer respectful obeisances unto Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Nityananda, Sri Advaita, Gadadhar Pandit, Srivas Thakur, and all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya. Evil.
Very well. Okay. Now we will start with our chanting. So you all can unmute yourself and we all will chant together. Okay? And I want to tell one amazing tip before we start chanting. We will try to hear the very first Hare Krishna. Okay? In whole Mahamantra, our concentration should be to hear the very first Hare Krishna. Let's start. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama, Hare Rama,
Krishna,
Rama Rama. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Krishna
Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Hare 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 Krishna Krishna
Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Rama, Krishna, Hare
Rama
Krishna, Krishna, Rama,
Krishna Krishna Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Hare
Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Rama,
Hare Krishna Krishna
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Rama,
Rama.
Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Rama, Rama, Rama.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna
Rama, Rama, Rama.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare. I hope you all are hearing the very first Hare Krishna very attentively. Please try to hear. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Rame Rama, Rame Hare.
Rama Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Rama
Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Krishna Hare Hare Rama
Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Rama Krishna
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Please recite with me. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. All right, everyone. I hope you have completed your round. Is it completed for all of you? Okay. How are you all feeling? We tried something new today. We tried to hear very first Hare Krishna. So please try to follow this tip every day when you chant. Try to hear very first Hare Krishna. From whole Mahamantra, just try to hear the very first Hare Krishna attentively. Okay? So now we have the shloka time. We will discuss shloka. I hope screen is visible nicely now. Okay, so we will discuss the shlok now. So can I have few volunteers who may recite after me? You can raise your hand. Okay, Pratyush. I will recite, then you may recite after me. Okay? Nam Sankirtana Haite Sarvarthanasha. Please sing.
Nam Sankirtana Haite Sarvanarthanasa
Sarva Subhodaya Krishna Premera Ullasa.
Sarva Subhodaya Krishna Premera Vilasa
Ullasa. Ullasa. Yes, very nice. Okay. Pavika, please go ahead. Nama Sankirtana Haite Sarvanarthanasha.
Nama Sankirtana Haite Sarvanarthanasa
Sarva Subodhaya Krishna Premera Ullasa.
Sarva Subhodaya Krishna Preme Ullasa.
Very nice. We want one more volunteer. Sumi. Please go ahead, Sumi. Nama Sankirtana Haite Sarvanarthanasha.
Nama Sankirtana Haite Sarvanarthanasha
Sarva Subodhaya Krishna Premera Ullasa.
Sarva Subhodaya Krishna Premera Ullasa. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. All right. Now let's see the translation. We will try to sing it this also in a tune. And let me sing. Then you can raise your hand, whoever feel confident to sing with me. Simply by chanting the holy name of Lord Krishna, One can be freed from all undesirable habits. This is the means of awakening all good fortune and initiating the flow of waves of love for Krishna. Vrindarani, would you like to sing with me? Okay.
Yeah.
Simply by chanting the holy name of Lord Krishna,
Simply by chanting the holy names of Lord Krishna,
one can be freed from all undesirable habits.
one can be free from all undesirable habits.
This is the means of awaking all good fortune and
This is the means of awakening all good fortune and
initiating the flow of waves of love for Krishna.
initiating the flow of waves for love
For Krishna.
of love for Krishna.
Very nice. You're saying very sweetly. Thank you so much. Okay, Anushka, let's sing again, then we'll discuss it. Simply by chanting the holy name of Lord Krishna,
Simply by chanting the holy name of Lord Krishna,
one can be freed from all undesirable habits.
one can be freed from all undesirable habits.
This is the means of awakening all good fortune and
This is the means of awaking all good fortune and
initiating the flow of waves of love for Krishna.
initiating the flow of waves of love for Krishna.
Very nice. Okay. Do you know who is speaking this shloka? We will discuss this shloka first. Previous slide, please. Yes. Do you know who is speaking this shloka? Any guesses? This shloka is from Chaitanya Charitamrita.
Maybe Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Okay, who is this?
Paveka.
Yes, you are right. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is speaking this verse, and what is he saying? Simply by chanting the holy name of Lord Krishna. What are the holy names of Lord Krishna? The one we just chanted, we chanted 108 times, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So, those are the holy names of Lord Krishna. One can be freed from all undesirable habits. Okay, so let's test if this really works or not. Let's see. I will ask few questions and you can simply raise your hand, or you can simply raise your hand. Have you started greeting your elders or your friends with Hare Krishna every day? Have you built this good habit? Okay. Okay, I can see. I can see kids who have put their videos on. They are raising their hands. What about others? So you will see. Yes. So our undesirable habits means our bad habits of not greeting elders with holy names of Krishna has already vanished. Okay, who wakes up early in the morning every day, especially in holidays? Right now, summer vacations are going. So, are you waking up early in the morning? Who all are waking up early in the morning? Okay. So, you can see these bad habits are going away. So, Krishna is like this. Krishna is the holy name of Krishna is like this. Holy name of Lord Krishna vanishes our all bad habits. Okay, who loves hearing stories about Krishna? Okay. So see, in next line, Lord Chaitanya is saying, this is the means of awakening all good fortune and initiating the flow of waves of love for Krishna. So we hear about someone when we have love for that person in our hearts. Is it not? So if you love hearing about the stories of Krishna, that means you have love for him. And this is the very result of chanting the holy names of Lord Krishna, that the flow of waves of love for Krishna awakens in our hearts. So, can you see this in your life? Lord Chaitanya himself is speaking this. So, yes, this is very interesting shloka that any person who chants the holy names of Krishna, he will get rid of all the undesirable habits, all the bad habits, and his love for Krishna will awaken in his heart. And the means of awakening all good fortune. So you will see that if you become a good kid, following good habit means becoming a very good kid. Is it not? So it is a good fortune. Everyone will start liking you. They will start loving you because you become a very nice kid, very good boy and good girls. Is it not? So this is the very result of the holy name of Lord Krishna. Moving forward now. So we will discuss a story. Why are you raising hand? Do you have any question? No? Okay. So we will discuss a story, and before jumping in the story, we will first see the characters in Leela. Who are they? Who are the characters in the past time in the story which we will be discussing? So let's see. Okay. So the very first personality we will discuss about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Lord Krishna himself. Everyone knows that, right? So he is Lord Krishna himself. Now here is a quiz for everyone. Please, you keep noting down these points, whatever you think that I should note down. Don't forget it because we will have lots of interactions. So see, we have a quiz. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, also known as. So do you know other names of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Yes.
Anyone know? Just
Yes, Mataji.
Vita.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
You can raise your hands. Madan Mohan. Please go ahead. Madan Mohan. Sorry, I can't hear you. Anyways. Jeshwita, yes, please. Can you unmute yourself? No? Okay.
Mataji,
Riya?
go ahead. Mataji, Nimai.
Nimai. Okay, yes, Nimai. Nimai is the childhood name of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I'm expecting more names. Riyanshi, please try. Sorry, I can't hear.
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji Gauranga Nimai.
Okay, yes, Gauranga. Yes. Gauranga is another name of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You all are very
Mataji.
intelligent. Yes.
Mataji Gaurhari.
Gaurahari. Okay. Yes. Very nice.
Mataji Vishwambar.
Vishambhar. Okay. You all are very intelligent. I'm very happy. Okay, let's move ahead now. Lord Chaitanya appeared in 1486 in Sridham, Mayapur, Navadvip, Bengal. He preached devotion to Krishna through chanting and Sankirtan. So, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra that we are chanting, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna himself, gave us this process that you chant Hare Krishna and be happy. Srila Prabhupada tells this, that you chant Hare Krishna and be happy. So, this is the process which is given by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to us to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and Sankirtan, to do Kirtan. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to preach this process of devotion to Krishna. So this is the very easy process which Mahaprabhu gave us, and just by following this process, we can get the love of Krishna. Okay, let's move ahead to Lord Nityananda. So, let's see. Lord Nityananda, also known as Nityananda Prabhu, he appeared in 1474 in Ekachakra, Bengal. He played a crucial role in spreading Lord Chaitanya's teachings. So whatever Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached, Lord Nityananda is his associate. He helped him to spread his teachings. Whatever he's preaching, he helped Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to spread his teachings. Okay, now here comes the quiz. Previous slide, please. We are discussing the quiz. So quiz is, he is Lord Chaitanya's dash brother. So options are, is he younger brother of Lord Chaitanya or is he elder brother of Lord Chaitanya? Who will tell me? No, you raise your hands and then speak, okay? Don't speak like this, otherwise I'll not be able to hear you. Okay, Pratyush, please try.
Mataji Elder.
Elder brother, okay. And next question is for Geeta Manohar. Who is Lord Nityananda? I mean, the incarnation of whom? We just read.
Balaram.
Yes, Lord Balram. Yay, you're very amazing. All right. So you know everything already. Let's move ahead now. We will discuss about Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. So he is one of the 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan. So you will see, next slide, please. Next slide. So you might see this photo in your altar, in your altars. Do you have this photo in your altars? So you will see this photograph of 6 Goswamis in your altar, in this parampara line. So these are the disciples of Lord Chaitanya, and Srila Raghunath Das Goswami is one of these 6 Goswamis. Previous slide, please. So yes, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami is one of these 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan, which we just saw. And he is first of the 6 Goswamis to meet Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is the very first Goswami who met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu out of all the Goswamis. He's the very first person. He appeared in 1495 in Krishnapur, West Bengal. I hope you all are writing the information. I will ask it. We will have a game time. Please keep noting the points which we are discussing. He is Rasa Manjari in Krishna Leela. So, who is Rasa Manjari? One of the principal Manjaris engaged in the intimate service of Sri Radha in the divine pastimes of Vrindavan. So, Rasa Manjari serves Srimati Radharani in the divine pastimes of Krishna, Vrindavan. So, Rasa Manjari is the intimate servant of Srimati Radharani. Intimate means one of the personal manjaris, one of the principal manjaris, main manjaris. So yes, this was about Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. Now comes next. Story time! We will discuss the story. Yay! I hope you all are excited. Please hear it very, very nicely. You will love it very much. Let's see. Let's dive into the story now. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, appeared as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Sridham, Mayapur, a quarter in the city of Navdeep in Bengal. We just read it. So it is kind of a quick revision of whatever we read so far. The purpose of his incarnation was to establish the Yuga Dharma. What is the Yuga Dharma? Who will tell me? You can raise your hands. I mean, if you understand what is Yuga Dharma. For which Lord Chaitanya came. Why did Lord Chaitanya appeared? We discussed this. To preach the process of chanting. See, it's written in the next line. You should be clever enough, See, it's written. The congregational chanting of the holy names of the Lord. Lord Balram appeared as Nityananda Prabhu, and many other eternal associates of the Lord appeared at that time to join his mission, and Srila Raghunath Das Goswami was one of them. Okay. Next. Now, Raghunath Das Goswami desired to join Lord Chaitanya. So we already know who are these personalities. So Srila Raghunath Das Goswami desired to join the party of Lord Chaitanya. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami was a devotee of the highest order. He was a pure devotee. He displayed a spirit of renunciation and detachment from the material world at very early age. He started serving Krishna. He started practicing his devotional services from the very early age. Like you kids, you are also practicing from the very early age. This is very amazing. He wanted to leave home and join Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his mission, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked him not to do so and assured that Krishna would deliver him soon from the clutches of Maya. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu refused him that no, you should not join it now. Krishna will pave a way for you. Don't you worry. But you should not join it now. So, next. Now what happens? Nityanand Prabhu came to Panihati. So Panihati is a village. See, let's see. 2 years later, Nityanand Prabhu came to Panihati and stayed there. Raghunath Das, who was staying in the nearby village of Sri Krishnapura, took permission from his father, Govardhan Mazumdar, and went to Panihati to meet Nityananda Prabhu. So, see, here is one point. What is the name of the father of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami? Yes?
Govardhan Majumdar.
Yes. So please note it down. Yes. So Panihati is one of the place, a village in Sridham Mayapur, where Lord Nityananda came to stay. At Panihati, he saw Nityananda Prabhu sitting on a rock. Can you see in the image? Nityananda Prabhu is sitting on a rock under a banyan tree on the banks of the river Ganges. He was surrounded by many devotees. You all can see in the photo. Now, you know what happens? Raghunath Das was hesitant to approach the Lord. He was hesitant. And he paid obeisances to Lord Nityananda from a distance. Lord Nityananda was sitting on the rock under the banyan tree, and he, instead of going in front of Lord Nityananda, he paid his obeisances from a distance. But some of the devotees noticed him and informed Nityananda Prabhu that, see, Lord, that person, that Raghunath Das Goswami, he's paying obeisances to you. He's not coming in front of you. And you know what Nityananda Prabhu did? Next. Nityanand Prabhu punishes Raghunath Das. He punishes. Now, can you believe this? Nityanand Prabhu is so merciful and he is punishing Srila Raghunath Das Goswami for, he didn't come in front of Nityanand Prabhu, and he is punishing Raghunath Das Goswami just because he didn't come in front of him. So let's see. Nityanand Prabhu called Raghunath Das and said, Raghunath Das, you're hiding like a thief. Now I have caught hold of you. Come here. I shall punish you today. And you know then what Lord Nityananda did? Then Lord Nityananda forcibly caught him. He just caught him and put his lotus feet on Raghunath's head. Can you believe this? Lord put his lotus feet on Raghunath's head. It is a great mercy. You can see in the photograph here, Lord Nityananda is putting his lotus feet on the head of Raghunath Das Goswami. He is so fortunate to receive his blessings, is it not? And do you think, was it a punishment that Lord Nityananda put his feet on Raghunath Das Goswami? No, he is actually showing his mercy. Lord Nityananda is so merciful. And he also gave another punishment, which you can now guess was actually not a punishment, but he was giving another mercy to Raghunath Das Goswami. Can you guess that sweet punishment or the mercy, let's say? See, he ordered to celebrate a big festival and serve all the devotees with yogurt and chipped rice. So, my dear kids, now Srila Raghunath Das Goswami need your help. You please, through emojis, put in the chat beautiful food items. You can make a beautiful, you can put beautiful emojis of food items that Raghunath Das Goswami may collect in a pot and distribute to the devotees. Please, let's start. Please, are you getting me? Put beautiful emojis of food items. You need to help Raghunath Das Goswami to assemble the food items for the devotees so that he may distribute it. Please go ahead. Hurry up. Okay, Pratyush has helped to serve banana, mango, strawberry, cherries, apple, watermelon. Wow. Pear. And what is this? It is potato? Okay. Okay, we have more items here. Corn, rice, yes. Donut, dumplings, avocado, croissant. Okay, we have salad. Okay, amazing. We have more good items. FS108. I don't know what's your name. Please change your name. You are serving apples, watermelon, and peaches. Very nice. Shelly is serving rice. Rianshi is serving so many beautiful fruits, sweet fruits. Geet Kiran is also serving beautiful sweet fruits and coconut. Amazing. Very nice. So you can see here in the photograph, we celebrated this festival on this Monday. Today's Saturday. We celebrated it on Monday and we are discussing it today. So, in case you missed celebrating on Monday, you can now collect the ingredients, the fruits, yogurt, chipped rice, and you can serve it nicely to Lord Nityananda to get his mercy. Moving forward now, thank you so much for your help. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami might definitely be pleased with all of you. Moving ahead now. Hare Krishna, can you hear me? I'm sorry that there was a network issue. Okay, thank you so much for your help. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami would definitely be pleased with all your help. Let's move ahead. Raghunath Das immediately sent his men to the nearby villages to purchase all kinds of eatables. They brought chipped rice, chira, milk, yogurt, sweetmeats, bananas, sugar, and other eatables. The chipped rice was soaked in milk. Half of that was then mixed with yogurt. So here we have the recipe. You can note this recipe down and you can, ask your mother. She can help you in making this feast for Lord Nityananda. The chipped rice was soaked in milk. Half of that was then mixed with yogurt, sugar, and bananas. The remaining half was mixed with condensed milk and flavored with clarified butter and camphor. This is edible camphor. All the devotees received 2 earthen pots, one with chipped rice mixed with yogurt and another with chipped rice mixed with condensed milk. So you can see the photos here. And yes, the Chira Dahi Mahotsav is celebrated every year in commemoration of this wonderful pastime. This festival is also known as Danda Mahotsav. Now here's come the quiz part. Do you know the meaning of Danda? There are 2 meanings of Danda.
Punishment.
Okay, punishment. Yes, dand is Hindi word for punishment. And there is another meaning of danda, that is the stick, danda. It's not that danda, by the way. It's dand, means punishment. The festival of punishment. Mahotsav means festival. Danda means punishment, the festival of punishment. It is celebrated on the 13th day of the bright moon in the month of Cheshta, May to June. To this day, pilgrims or devotees visit Panihati to celebrate the Chira Dahi festival. So, you know what? When you are making this feast for Lord Chaitanya, you are actually in Panihati that time. Okay, Riyanshi is saying that she knows how to make dahi chira. Very nice. So, yes, when you are making this beautiful feast for Lord Nityananda, at that time you are in Panihati only. You should know this thing that we are where our consciousness is. So when you're sitting and you're remembering Vrindavan, so at that time you are actually in Vrindavan because in your consciousness you're thinking of Vrindavan. So you are where your consciousness is. Okay, have you ever been to Vrindavan?
Yes.
Can you raise your hands?
3 times.
Okay, Pratyush, very nice. Okay, I can see many kids have visited Vrindavan. Have you visited Sri Mayapur Dham?
Yes.
You can raise your hands. Okay, amazing. So you can, try to make this beautiful feast for Lord Nityananda. And you will be in Panihati, you will be in Sri Mayapur Dham. Okay, moving forward now. Here comes the craft time. I know this is the most interesting and amazing and favorite time of most of the kids. I mean, of all the kids. Are you ready with your material? Are you ready with your craft items?
Yeah.
Next slide, please. So we shared this photograph in the group. Do you have the printout of this photograph? You can nod your heads and I will get an idea if you have it. Okay, if anyone does not have it, then you can raise your hand. I'm just clearing the hands. And now in case you don't have the printout, you can please raise your hands. Pavika, you don't have the printout? Molly, you don't have the printout?
No,
Oh.
Mataji, I don't have.
So the kids who don't have the printout, you can yourself draw the photograph of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Nityananda. You can, draw it roughly. And then you can maybe paint it. You can draw, whatever elements we shared, the beautiful garlands for the Lord, the flowers, the jewelry, and food, feeds items. You can try to draw those items by yourself because we don't have any other option. If you have printer at your home, then you can get it ready just now. But if you don't have it, then you can try drawing it with your cute hands by yourself. Okay? So let's begin. I want everyone to put their videos on. Everyone is going to participate in the craft for sure. And I want to see each and every one of you to participate in the craft. Okay? And meanwhile, you can also ask your questions. I'm stopping the screen now so that I can see each and every one of you. Yes. Okay. Wow, Malu and Madhav, I can see you are ready with your cutouts. This is amazing. You can start. Yes, you can start. First of all, please paint. You can color the garments of Lord Nityananda and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Please color the garments first. And sticking part we will do in the end. Don't stick at first. First, we will do our coloring part. So, whatever colors you have, crayons, pencil colors, you can use them to color the garments of the Lord. And meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask. Vrindarani, are you coloring?
My mom is getting the printout.
Oh, okay. Geeta Manohar, are you coloring?
Yes.
Okay, beautiful. I see you are two people, Geeta Manohar. You are two kids, right? I want both
Yes.
of you to participate. Both of you try to color in separate sheets.
Yes.
Okay.
We are coloring in separate sheets.
Okay, nice. FS108. What is your name? Can you please change it? I would love to know your name.
Akriti Das.
Akriti. Okay. Are you coloring? Akriti?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show me your sheet?
Okay.
You can, tilt your camera. You can tilt your camera down. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So, okay, let me instruct you one more thing. Lord, what is the favorite color of Lord Chaitanya? Who will tell me? You don't know?
Yellow.
Okay, yes. So you can paint, you can color the garments of Lord Chaitanya with yellow or orange color. And color for Lord Nityananda?
Blue.
Yes. So you can color the garments of Lord Nityananda with blue color.
Haribol Mataji, I've got the printout.
Okay, very nice. I'm very happy. And I'm excited to see your painting as soon as you complete it. You can try coloring it by putting your video on. I love to see all of you coloring, participating in the craft. Other kids uh, who have put their videos off, please try to put your videos on if possible. I love to see all of you. You're so cute. And I love seeing your faces participating in the craft. Okay, so meanwhile you all are coloring, I will take some quiz. You have worked so hard to make your notes, and we will discuss some easy quizzes meanwhile to make the session more interactive. Okay, so we discussed a verse today. We discussed a shloka. We recited it. So it was from which Shastra? Was it from Bhagavad Gita or Srimad Bhagavatam or from where?
Chaitanya
Okay, Molly.
Charitamrita.
Okay. You should raise your hands and then speak, okay? Okay, Pavika, you want to speak?
Yes, it is from Chaitanya Charitamrita.
Chaitanya Charitamrita, yes. Very nice. Can anyone tell me when did Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appear?
1496.
1496. Are you sure? He appeared in 1486. Please correct it.
That is confused.
No, you were very close. I'm happy. Okay. Okay. Here comes the next question. Where did Srila Raghunath Das Goswami appeared? Which place?
Krishnapur, near West Bengal. Krishnapura.
Okay. Pratyush, you're a very amazing boy. Give chance to other kids also. Okay. You're very nice. Which Manjari is Srila Raghunath Das Goswami in Krishna Leela?
Raj Manjari. Manjari.
Okay. Now please concentrate on your coloring because I know I might be distracting all of you and you will not be able to complete it on time. Please keep coloring. I'm very, very happy to see all of your efforts of noting down whatever we discussed. You're amazing kids. Okay, now I want to know about your progress. How much are you? Okay, wow. Malu, have you come?
Mine Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is completed, but Nityanand Prabhu is not completed.
Okay, I can't show your sheet nicely. Can you shift it here a little bit?
Ji Mataji. I don't have the printout.
Okay, you're drawing it by yourself. Okay. You're drawing. So you have drawn Lord Chaitanya till yet. Okay. Okay, very beautiful. Wow. Okay, please draw Lord Nityananda as well and start coloring. Have you done coloring any of the one personality, either Lord Chaitanya or Lord Nityananda? I can see Malu has completed. Please try to increase your speed a little bit. Malu, are you done with your coloring? So you can start pasting the beautiful garlands and flowers, jewelry and other items, okay? Please start pasting. You can take help from your mother maybe, and start pasting. Okay. Rianshi, are you done with coloring? May I see your progress? May I see how much you have done? Can you show me your sheet? You can tilt your camera. Okay, okay. Nice. You can, start coloring the garments. Okay, dear kids, I want to tell you one more thing. It's okay. See, Rianshi is showing me the screen. So left, on left side, we have Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And on right side, we have Lord Nityananda. So it's okay if you have changed the sides, but if you have not start coloring yet, then right one is Lord Nityananda and left one is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So it's okay. You just continue coloring. Okay, Geeta Manohar. Please unmute yourself, Geeta Manohar. Can you, zoom it a little bit? Okay. Wow, you have completed? You have completed with your
Yes.
whole work? Amazing. It looks very nice. Maybe you can, zoom it little more so that I can see it nicely. Okay. Okay. Very nice. So you can, okay, this is the next one. Amazing. So have you drawn these? Have you drawn these?
No. Print out. Print out.
Print out. Okay. Okay, very nice. Your Lord Gauranitai looks very beautiful.
Jai Jagannath. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you.
Hare bol. Okay, Molly, I am curious to know about your progress. Please show me what are you doing?
I am done with drawing.
Okay, very nice. Now please start coloring. And be fast, okay? We have less time. Be fast. Please remember, left one is Lord Gauranga, Lord Chaitanya, and right one is Lord Nityananda. So blue is for Lord Nityananda and orange is for Lord Chaitanya. Bhavika, how are you doing? Can you show me your sheet, please?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, please. Wow, very beautiful. But okay, it's okay now. Yes, you're doing nice. Please continue.
Ma'am, I drawed it fully. Now I'm gonna start coloring.
Okay, perfect. Please go ahead. Okay, Geeta Manohar. Meanwhile, you are done. Meanwhile, what you can do, you can try coloring a beautiful background. Yes, you can try coloring or painting a beautiful background for Lord Nityananda and Chaitanya, Lord Chaitanya, okay? Okay, dear Akriti, I can see you are done with your coloring. And okay, where have you gone? You can start pasting the cutouts now if they are ready.
Hare Krishna Mataji. We don't know how to paste these flowers to where we don't know. So any
Okay.
photo you can share, then we will copy and paste. I don't know. These flowers and one mridanga, I don't know how to where to paste.
Okay. So for
Uh,
a reference, I'm sharing a photograph.
okay,
of a-
Mataji, only garlands paste.
Give. Okay, let me tell you verbally. You can paste these mridangas near waist of Lord Nityananda and Mahaprabhu. So let me show you the photograph of Lord Nityananda and Mahaprabhu. Can you all see my screen? So you can see here on the waist side, there is Mridanga. I hope you can see my screen, right? So like this, you can
Yes, ma'am.
put Mridangas.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Can put Mridangas like this. And you can put garlands here. You can put the flowers on the wrist of the Lord as a jewelry, floral jewelry. You can put it as anklets, the flowers. So yes, like that. Okay, everyone, please be fast. Dear Malu, is it working for you now? Are you able to paste it nicely?
Yes, yes. Trying, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen again in case you need some ideas. You can see here. Okay, my dear everyone, now you can, start showing your photographs. I mean the sheets, because time is already up. Please show me till where you are done and you can complete it later. You can, start showing me till where you are done. It's okay. And later you can post on social media and tag Bhakti Kids, and I will see your photo sheets there. Okay, wow. Akriti, you are done with the garments. Very nice. Now you can, start pasting the items. You have painted it by yourself. You have drawn it by yourself. So you can, take out the printout now. You have time and you can paste those items. Okay? All right. Pratyush. Okay, beautiful. You are coloring very nicely. And same thing for you, dear Pratyush. You can take out the printout of the items and you can paste it later after completing the coloring part. Beautiful. Pavika.
Tanu, actually, we have an idea that everybody can share their pictures to this phone number that we're sharing on the chat, and then we can post it. We want to see
Wow.
all of their artwork.
Okay, everyone. So after completing, we are sharing a number on the chat, and you can share the photographs of your work on that number. Okay? Are you all with me? Okay. Okay, dear Malu. Wow, you are almost done. Yes, it looks very nice, dear Malu and Madhav. Now you can finish it by sticking the food items, and then you can post your photograph on that number.
Food
We have
items
already
to
shared the
where to paste, Mataji? Food items.
food items near the lotus feet of the Lord.
Okay.
We have space there, right? You can put the food
Mhm.
items, just like if you will see here in this photo, here in this photo of Lord. So near the lotus feet of the Lord, you can see there are some fruits and glass of water. I hope you can see my screen. So here you can put these food items near the lotus feet of the Lord. Okay.
Okay, Mataji, clear. Thank you, Mataji.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today. We had a very lovely time. Okay, Molly, you're done with the garments. Now you also have enough time. You can print those items and you can paste it. And please note this number down. You can post your photos on this number on the WhatsApp. You can take a screenshot or note it down. Everyone, please note the number down and you can post your photos there. Thank you so much for joining and participating very, very nicely in today's session, and hoping to see you soon. We will meet soon.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. Hari Bol.
All glories to Srila Prabhupada.
Yes. All glories to Guru and Gauranga. And nothing for us. All glories to them. Okay. Hare Krishna.
Happy Ratha Yatra Mataji in advance.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Bye.
Happy Ratha Yatra Mataji.